Playing with Northeast Grooves, beat the drums.
So I ain't want to learn how to do plumbing.
You know what you told me?
What I say?
Your back.
What I
You
say?
can't do no hard work because you fuck your back up. You can't beat no drums no more. You tell me how to look. You're too low, baby.
I'm too low?
That 10 is too low. Do 11.
Do 11?
Yeah, off the floor. She might be off a little bit. Look at your floor.
Okay.
If your floor is not level,
In action.
okay,
Okay.
you might have to do the wood. So
Go off the wood.
what you got on your wood?
Okay, on my wood, I'm up 2 inches, 3 inches off the mark off the floor, 2.5 inches.
You might have marked it wrong because you at it.
That's 10 right there.
All right, now get on your wood and do whatever you want off your wood.
Do 10 off the wood?
No, you can't do 10 if you're on the floor doing 10.
Okay.
Add more to it. Don't be scared to add. I bet if I took your money from you and see you duck you'd be like, no, man.
Okay.
Huh? You know how to count that? Add to it.
Add
And
two,
stay
so
with
12?
that.
Go
No,
12?
you do it. Do it like it's better to do long. You can always cut it off. You can go to that with a piece of pipe, but you can't go to that after you cut it.
Right.
I do it myself. I'm just teaching myself.
You just teaching?
Can't do it all by myself.
Okay.
Gotta have help.
Is that what you talking about?
Too long to me. Cause I got to do my sink off that.
Right. Okay, so I'll go back to 10 like I said.
Just doing 11. You know you got enough room for your pipe, so do 11. Don't pay them no attention. You here by yourself. Don't even worry about that. You ain't got to impress them. All they want is this shit in here. They don't care how it's in here. He told me it worked when I came here. Oh, it'll work. It'll work before I moved in here. Before we left, you know. See, they ain't putting that. Look, they ain't getting no protection on your pipe. You got to put kick plates on that to keep them from driving nails and screws in that. It's all on plastic.
I ain't put nothing in there.
Yeah. That look better?
As long as you got them short.
What?
Nah,
Man, don't be taking a picture while I'm sitting on the bucket.
nah, come this way. This is why we hire professional.
You got to put your hand down like this. Go ahead. Go start drilling.
Say what you say? You have to do what now?
Huh? You got to put the man on it. That bitch will knock his fucking wrist off. Powerful machine. I know you do because it's a cutting ass, but I'm telling you, when you hit one of them hard ass Super 4s like these real Super 4s. Huh? Shit, you hit a knot, that fucker gonna come up, but it ain't gonna quit like the other one. It's gonna come up and your wrist gonna. That's why I say you got to kind of come down with it and keep your muscle on it like that. All right, now what you want to do now? See that 1.5 inch pipe that you cut off?
Use as a guide?
Use that as a guide. Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Am I going straight or I'm going on the slope?
No, you gonna kind of bubble. You can break bubble. Don't rise and don't slope. You can just break a bubble. I don't know what my level is.
I can't believe I said I ain't want to learn how to do plumbing.
Shit.
I said I wanted to play drums. Huh?
You want to play drums?
It takes the girls.
But they had a naked girl down.
He said naked girls dance.
Mike.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Remember this?
Okay.
All right.
Just going off.
Put that in that pipe. Put that in that T, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
And whatever T, you got two of them now. Take that out of it. That's you got it now.
she always goes this way, right?
Yeah. Where does shit go?
Okay. She going down.
Down here. Can't go up here.
Gotcha.
You have a funky house. All right. Now what we're gonna do now? I just give you a double. You try to use this one. If it's too long, then we'll.
Take a there you go. Just sit right on top of it.
Too short.
You want a measurement on it?
Yeah, if you want to. Nah, y'all don't know. Go down in allow for makeup. Is that furniture coming all the way down?
Nope.
It ain't?
I'm right on top of the pipe.
No. You only touching what pipe?
Copper.
Is it all the way in there?
Yeah. I got the furniture halfway where it stopped
Right
at
there?
double time. Yeah.
Okay. Give yourself a quarter of an inch up,
More?
cause the other fitting gonna be half of that.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. So, let me see.
Hold you fitting right. Hold it just like it's going.
So that's how it's going, Dan?
No, down. Down, not up. Push down. There you go. You always want to go down a little bit.
Okay, so we're looking at 4.5.
How much you got down in the furniture cup?
I got on a pipe in the front coat.
I want it in the furniture.
And yes, it's
All
right on
right,
top of
I
it.
got it. Give it in. Give me 5.
Okay.
What you got there? Nah, the fitting you got.
The fitting?
So it's not gonna go in that fitting.
Okay, this right here is 4 3/4.
Okay.
I can sit it on top of
Just
this.
fit it up there.
Yeah, there you go.
Put it in the fitting.
Okay, that's just so.
That's just a guy. That's all.
Yeah.